आइए देखते हैं थर्ड एग्जांपल। अभी इसी क्वेश्चन में फाइंड द रूट्स। हमने पहला क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया है जो विदाउट रूट था, फिर सेकंड क्वेश्चन विथ रूट और थर्ड क्वेश्चन है आपका अपॉन में। यहाँ लिखा है इसे 2x² - x + 1/8। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट द इक्वेशन 2x² - x + 1/8 = 0. And how to solve? So taking the LCM. What will be the LCM is 8. 8 to the 16x² - 8x + 1 = 0. 16x² - 8x + 1 = 0 into 8. 16x² - 8x + 1 = 0. So this form is quadratic form. Then after we have to find the two roots. We have to find the two value of x. How? See this one. 16 1 जा 16. 16 in which table come? 16 आएगा आपका 4 4 जा 16. 4 + 4 is 8. How to get it? So you can write 16x² - 4x + 1 = 0. 4 + 4 is 8. Okay, and -4, so 4 4 ja 16. So common number, and both number is divisible by 4. So you take the common 4x minus 1 minus, here it is no common number because here it is 4x, here is 1, so there is no number common, so you will take 1 common. So -1 minus 1 common, so that convert is 4x positive sign, plus में से minus common लिया तो -4x minus 1. Then you can see the both brackets are same, so you have to take common 4x minus 1 and 4x minus 1 = 0. There are two brackets and both are same. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 1 = 0. 4x equal to 1 and the another one 4x equal to 1, x equal to 1/4 and x equal to 1/4. There are two solutions of given equation. So I think you can understand what is the method of find the roots. So that method is called middle term splitting method, and by using quadratic formula. So why using the quadratic formula? So what is the formula? You can see this one. The standard equation ax² plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and formula is here x equal to -b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, this is the formula, and suppose if you know the value of abc, then you can put the value and find out the value of x. Also, you know, this is called also discriminant. discriminant. Discriminant, the short form is d equal to b square minus 4ac. Most of the place, suppose you can find out -b plus minus under root d upon 2a. So this is also right. Suppose first of all you have to find the value of d, then after you can apply this formula. But you don't want to get this one. So suppose you can apply the direct this formula. Okay, look at this one. This question is here. 1/x plus 4 minus 1/x minus 7 equal to 11/30. This is known the quadratic equation. So first of all you have to simplify. How? So you will solution is here, and first of all you have to write as it is. Step 1/x plus 4 minus 1/x minus 7 equal to 11/30. Taking LCM. How much LCM? X plus 4 and x minus 7. Here it is 11/30. X minus 7 move this side, and this is negative sign, so x plus 4. The another step, you open this bracket, x minus 7, open this bracket, and minus x plus minus 4. And this one you can multiply this one also, x square, multiply this x square plus 4x minus 7 minus 7x and 4 7 ja minus 28 is equal to 11/30. Next one, x, this is the positive and this one negative, so both of cancel out, and -7 minus 4 is -11 upon x square as it is, 7 minus 4 is 3, big number is minus sign, so you have to write minus negative sign, minus 3x or minus 28 is equal to 11 upon 30. This value you have to cross multiply. Minus 11 into 30 equal to x square. X square as it is here. So x square minus 3x and minus 28. Multiply with 11. Okay. So here it is also 11. So you can move this one. So 30 as it is here, 30 and x square minus 3x minus 28 upon into 11 and upon also 11. 11 cancel by 11. Or this one is negative sign. The another one, you can find out this one also. Minus 30 as it is. Minus 30 is equal to x square minus 3x minus 28. Okay, so 0 equal to x square minus 3x minus 28 and plus 30. So after solving you will get x square minus 3x and 30 minus 28 is 2 and the big number is positive sign, so plus 2. Or you can write this step, you can move on LHS side. X square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. Then after you can apply the formula. So you can write by using quadratic formula. Formula is here. You can write again x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Where first of all you have to compare this equation by standard equation. Standard equation ax square plus bx plus c. So value of a is 1. There is no coefficient, so you have to assume 1. And the next one, b is equal to minus 3 and c equal to 2. Okay. Now x equal to minus b, so you have to put the value x equal to minus b. B value is minus 3, so minus 3 and minus sign minus b also you can put it, and plus minus under root b square. So what is the value of b? Minus 3. So minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a. Value of a is 1 and value of c. Value of c, look at this one, and that is 2 upon 2a. 2 into a. A value is 1. After solving you will get minus minus plus. Plus 3 plus minus and 3 3 is 9, 4 2 is 8. 9 minus 8 upon 2. So you will get x equal to 3 plus minus under root 1 upon 2, and now x equal to 3 plus minus, so 3 plus minus 1 upon 2. So first one you have to choose the positive sign with positive sign. So you will get x equal to 3 plus 1 upon 2. So how much? 4 upon 2, and that is 2. The minus sign, so x equal to 3 minus 1 upon 2, that is 2 upon 2, it is 1. So there are two answers, and the first is 2 and second is 1. The solution of this equation by the method using quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is method x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. The sum of reciprocals of Riemann is 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 upon 3. Find its present age. So we have to find the present age of Riemann. So how to find? So let the Riemann's present age be x years. Here is the one thing. Riemann's age 3 years ago. Ago means पहले. पहले means आपकी age क्या होगी पहले? कम. So आपको subtract करना है. Here it is. You can write x minus 3 years. The next one 5 years from now. यानी आज से 5 वर्ष बाद. So you have to positive sign. So this become x plus 5 years. Okay. The reciprocal, that means suppose if you have the number is 2 upon 3 is converted into the 3 upon 2. Okay. So questions you can understand, and then here it is solution. Let let the Rahman's age be X years. Rahman says ago. So according to question, you can write the first is the number. The reciprocal, that means 1 upon, here it is the Rahman's age 3 years ago. So you can write x minus 3. The end 5 years from now. So 5 years from now, 1 upon x plus 5. How much? 1 upon 3. So that is 1 upon 3. The sum. Here it is the line is written sum. So you have to put the positive sign. First of all, you have to calculate taking the LCM. LCM is x minus 3 and x plus 5 equal to 1 upon 3, and so you have to multiply x plus 5. The next is x minus 3. Any doubt here? This number multiply by 1 and this number multiply by this one, and positive sign as it is. X plus x, how much? That is 2x. 5 minus 3 is 2 plus 2 upon x minus 3. So you can multiply. So it is x square minus 3x plus 5x, and 5 3 is 15, minus 15 is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, and the next one step you can write in the another way. So 2x plus 2 as it is, 2x plus 2 upon x square also as it is, and now 5 minus 3 is 2, big number is positive sign, so plus 2x minus 15 also as it is, equal to 1 upon 3. Cross multiply, so 3 to 6x plus 6 equal to, multiply by 1 this equation, so you can write as it is minus 50. So 0 equal to x square plus 2x, and this number move to RHS, so plus convert into the negative sign, minus 15 and minus 6, plus convert negative sign. So 0 equal to x square, 6 minus 2 minus 4x, and 15, this number is minus 21, or x square minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. So this equation we solve by middle term splitting method. So what is the 21 1 ja 21, and 21 in which tables come? 7 3 ja 21, and 7 minus 3 is 4. Big number is negative sign, so you will take the 7 is negative number. X square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 equal to 0. 7 minus 3 you will get 4, and big number is minus sign, so you have to minus. X common, x minus 7 plus 3 common, x minus 7 equal to 0. X minus 7 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now you can write x minus 7 equal to 0, and the next one x plus 3 equal to 0. So you will get x equal to 7 and x equal to minus 3. So h cannot be negative. So we take x equal to 7 years. So present age of Rahman, present age of Rahman will be 7 years. Okay, find the nature of roots. So first of all we understand and what is the meaning of nature of roots. Here it is, you can see ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of equation. And how to understand this one? So 1, d equal to b square minus 4ac. So d is the discriminant. First of all we have to find the value of d. Suppose d is greater than equal to, there are three conditions: d greater than 0 and d equal to 0 and d less than 0. D greater than 0, that means you will get the positive value. D equal to 0, understood, and d less than 0, that means negative value, right? So in this condition, d greater than 0, so it has real roots. This one is equal roots, or this one is no roots. Okay friends, one example you can take also. Suppose suppose you find the value d equal to b square minus 4ac. By the help of this equation you find the value. This value is 7, so definitely d greater than 0, so then you can say that is the real roots. What d equal to 0, so this is equal roots, and d equal to minus 7, so that means d less than 0, so that means no roots. If you have the real roots, you have to find out. How to find? The formula is here. There are two value. The first root value is minus b plus under root d upon 2a. The second minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Okay. So by the help of, you can find the two roots. Suppose that time you will get the real. So you can see this solution. First of all, compare the equation with the standard equation. So here it is, here a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4 root 3, and c equal to 4. So find the value of d equal to b square minus 4ac. So value of b is minus 4 root 3 whole square. Minus 4 into 3 into 4. 4 4 ja 16, or root 3 3. So 16 3 ja 48. Minus 4 3 ja 12, or 12 into 4. 48. So 48 minus 48 is 0. So value of d equal to 0. So you can write it has equal roots. For equal roots, so there is no requirements to find out the roots. So I think this one is completed. Okay, the next question is here. Find the value of k if they have two equal roots. So 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation. And solution. What is the solution? So here we have to compare the equation with the standard one, ax square plus bx plus c. So here it is, here it is a equal to 2 and b equal to k and c equal to 3. So first of all, find the value of d. Discriminant, d equal to b square minus 4ac. The value of b is k square minus 4 into value of a is 2 and value of c is 3. So k square minus 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24. So d equal to k square minus 24. But you can see if they have two equal roots, so that means that they have two equal roots. Two equal roots. That means d equal to 0. Value of d, k square minus 24 equal to 0. Right? So you can write also k square equal to 24 and k equal to plus minus under root 24. So value of k equal to plus minus 24, so under root 24 and minus under root 24. So there are two values, you can get it. So thank you very much for watching this video.